for a snack. Let's see. What can I have? Carrots, celery, spinach, strawberries, grapes, cherries, melon, tuna, Diet Coke. Yes, I think I'm going to have a Diet Coke. Right, let me get a glass. And yes, these are pictures of cats inside the doors of my cupboards. I'm a crazy cat lady, what can I say? Now, before I pour myself this delicious Diet Coke, there's something I need to do. Is it my mailbox? Because you know what it's like for me, it's like Christmas whenever I get shipments. And it sounds like somebody's mowing out there. My noisy neighbor mowing his lawn. And I'm so excited because this is the shipment that I've been waiting for from my friend Michelle. Michelle is one of my viewers, and I'm so excited, you guys. She said she was going to send me some beads, and I cannot wait to see what's in this box. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Luisa. I hope everybody's doing well. I am so excited because my friend from North Carolina, my friend Michelle, sent me some beads. I don't know if they're beads or pendants. She said they were flower pendants, but I'm excited to see what's in this box. A couple of weeks ago, she contacted me telling me that she had an overabundance of these pendants. And knowing that I like beads, she wanted to send me these beads to see, you know, what I can come up with. And I'm very excited because one of the things I love the most is to get a surprise shipment. I love to receive beads that I don't select myself because for some reason my creativity explodes when it comes to surprise shipments, okay? And that's why I like bead subscriptions and that kind of thing. So I'm going to open up this box and then I'm going to sit down and examine them and we'll see what we can come up with. All right, so let me go ahead and turn the camera around and we'll get started. Okay, let's see what we've got. Oh my gosh, this box is full. Michelle, you really shouldn't have done this. You really shouldn't have done this. It was so sweet of you to send me this shipment. Let me pull these out and we'll take a look. And you did such a nice job of wrapping each one. And oh my gosh, look at this. Michelle, you really shouldn't have done this. You really shouldn't have done this. This was so sweet of you to send me this. All right, so let me go ahead and check each one out. Let's take a look at this. Oh wow, look at this beautiful bead. That is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. How gorgeous is that, guys? And here's a beautiful heart. Look at this. How sweet. Another rose bead. You know what I like about this one is the color. This is such a pretty color. It's red, but it's not bright red. It's kind of like a dark red, which I really, really love. Oh wow, these are so gorgeous. And this is the same red, but it's a bigger bead, as you can see. Wow. I already have ideas in my head. I already have images floating through my brain. A rose bead. Pink. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Same size as this one. So beautiful. Look at this bouquet. I just love it. There's a lovely purple one. And you know, the angle is different on this one. I've never seen one like this before. It's not like this one. It has a different angle. Another one. And this one actually has two tones. It has like a dark pink and a light pink. So gorgeous. I feel like I just received a bouquet of flowers. I love these. And here's another one. Wow. You know, even if I just put them here and look at them, it makes me happy. Just looking at this beautiful array of flowers. And the little heart. So gorgeous. Okay, this looks like it might be another heart. And it is purple, my favorite color. And look at the beautiful striations through that. Well, they're not striations. It's like a little pattern in the glass. Okay. And this is stunning. This is absolutely stunning. It's like a tiger eye pattern inside of this bead. Very beautiful. I love the shape of it as well. And here's the last bead. Another beautiful rose, the same as this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, Michelle, I have to ask you, how did you end up with so many flower beads? And why did you not use them? They're so beautiful. Look at this. Look at these beads. Gorgeous. All right, so now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to think about it. I'm going to look at them for a little bit and see what floats through my brain. And Michelle, you went overboard. Thank you so much for sending me these gorgeous beads. I'm going to take a look at them and examine them and admire them and see if I can come up with something.